A34 in towards Warsaw. It is a speed of 90 in a posted 30 limit. It is a dual carriageway, traffic is light. It's just mounted a curb, so I suspect it may have some damage. And the vehicle is standby A34 Warsaw Road. He is contravening a keep left bollard. Can I have an impasse tactical units towards me, please? He is making several overtakes. It's standby. I've got one out on foot. It is off-road. It's one out and running. The driver's still in the vehicle. We're onto grassland. Passenger, IC1, green top, blue trousers, and vehicle is now returning to the road. Standby for road name. So we're on the Crescent, approaching roundabout. Standby for direction.
Just keep doing assistance as well, guys.
Yeah, with apologies, William. Okay, we're into the Toby Carvery now. Risk is still medium, and we're into the car park. We go back out the other side. William, standby for road, mate. Okay, William, speed has significantly reduced now. It's standby, still making overtakes. We are at 30 miles an hour. I'm on the Broadway North, outside 112. Vehicle's pulling over now of its own accord. Standby. Out the car! Out the car! On the floor! On the floor! Hands! Shoot your hands! Give me your hands! I've got it, mate. I've got his arm. Yeah.
behind the stolen Porsche. Moore Street, just passing the Selfridges garage. Just confirm, yeah, I'm behind it where I am advanced. I'm in a marked vehicle. My lights are on and they haven't reacted immediately. I've knocked my lights off. Just see what it does. Permission to pursue if it's yeah, through the red. It's now a fail to stop. Fail to stop. Speeds are now increasing. Wham. We are now 50 as we approach a red light. Wham. He's on the brakes. Wham. He's gone through a red onto the roundabout. As I say, still struggling for traction. Wham. He's going round the roundabout, so it's going to be down towards Highgate. We've approached the roundabout. Oh, Wham. He's had a big slide. It might be a crash here. Stand by.
Yeah, near to the junction with Moseley Road.
Good lad.
Good lad.
He's ramming us.
Yeah, more units please outside the college.
Like Alpha, there's a vehicle that's gone into the NEC, the convoy vehicle that's involved in this incident with the S4. The white Volkswagen Polo R, Sierra Alpha 16, uniform car accident.
Vehicles ramming us.
Like Alpha, the convoy.
I only see the top half of it. It's IC3 male, very closely cropped.
Alright chaps, just stand still for me, just keep your hands where we can see them. Keep your hands out your pockets for me. Right. Basically we've got information that a couple of people were seen leaving a car which was linked to an armed robbery.